Welcome. This video I'll show you how to create components here in Penpot. Okay, so first up, go ahead and add a new component. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and add in a circle right here with this picture. Open, wait for it to load. Then I'm going to go ahead and mask it. Select all, mask. Okay, let's say you wanted to use this one as a component. Okay, you wanted to save it to your library and then you wanted to use it on another project. So select it, right click on it and just click on create component or press Ctrl K, and it's now a component. Now finally, to save it, go to assets right here, go to components to check it out. Here we have it. Now manage your library. Here we have one component, so just publish it. Okay, click on publish and it will be added on your library. Okay, so when you go ahead and open up a project or a new project, maybe this one, create a new file. Now go to assets, add library right here. So just go ahead and select the file. Okay, this one with one component. Click on the plus sign and it will be added right here in the left panel. Okay, this one. There you go. Just drag and drop and you're good to go. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.